This is our basic module power inverter. Our brand is Gyopo, Gyopo, and we are based in Wuhan. This inverter is a DC to AC inverter. It takes DC input here. You can see this is the negative terminal and this is the positive terminal. For DC inputs, we have 12 volts, 24 volts, and 48 volts DC. This inverter comes with two AC sockets. These sockets can be customized. You can put an international version socket, American socket, UK socket, whatever socket you want, we can put it for you. And for AC output voltage, we have 110 volts to 120 volts AC, and we also have 220 volts to 240 volts AC. We also have other output sockets like this Type C and this USB socket. And this part here is for connecting to the ground, this removable LCD control. On the display of the removable LCD control, it shows the battery power, the DC input voltage, AC output voltage, frequency, temperature, and the load percentage. I will show you how to connect this removable LCD. So we use an extra cable, a longer cable to connect it for use from a bit of a distance from the inverter. You connect it on this port. Now you can switch on or switch off the inverter using this remote control. For this version, we have from 1000 watt to 6000 watt, and it's pure sine wave inverter.